Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And again, this is me Kate here, and I'm back with you to how to create IMO account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the IMO application. If you don't have that yet, simply install that from your Google Play Store. Once you install that, open up the application. After that, on your mobile screen, you will see this interface. Now enter your phone number with the country code. Once you enter your number, near your number you will see the tick mark icon. Tap on them. A dialog box will pop up which will ask if you have entered your correct number. So if you have entered your correct number, tap on OK. After that, you have to enter your full name. So type in your full name. Once you're done with that, again tap on tick mark icon from the upper right corner again. Here you can simply add your profile photo, or else you can also skip this process. Here I will skip and tap on the tick mark again. After that, you have to allow access to your contacts. So tap on allow. So this is how you can simply create an IMO account. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.